Okay, so I have recorded my audio. I did this by going to my slideshow. I clicked record a slideshow, okay? And then it will pop this up. I've already recorded it at this point, so the button for you will be red. For me, it's to play, okay? But I now have the ability to go through and I can hit the cursor through my presentation. The only thing that will be recorded is this part right here, which is your slides. Nobody sees your notes or anything like that. Those only come out later when we'll do the export for the printout. But when you record it, your screen will look like this, and you'll have the control with your cursor to start from here and go through and talk. And so you'll hit the record button and then you'll just talk. You'll see it when you look at mine, that I am posting how I did it. Mine was 4 minutes total. You should aim to be a little bit longer. Anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes is fine. All right. And you're going to kind of talk through whatever it is that you're building for your individual project. For me, I'm talking about transferring, and that's my intent to transfer, and so that's what I'm going to do here. But so you can go through, and as you see, all the transitions that I added are now part of it. If I was recording this, I'd still be talking and, kind of going through my pieces. And I come to the end, okay? And that's it. So now I have this. Oh, okay, so I've got this audio here, and this tells me that it allows me, if you see, I've got these options. Okay, I can edit it more if I were to like to. If I click on each slide, you'll see different audios. Okay, audio 6. All right, this has both audio and animations because this is my slide with animations. Another audio, more audio. Okay, that's the end. So now that I've recorded this, I have all my animations, I have everything I want here. I'm going to export it. Okay. For those of you that are on Mac on PC, this will look different, but you go to File and then Export. Okay. You can also get to it on PC through the menu, the Backstage menu. Okay. So then I will get this pop up, and I'm going to name this. This is my, PowerPoint recording. Okay. I'm going to make sure that I save the file format as an MP4. Or if you have a different preference for a video file, that's fine. But MP4 or .movie really is what it's going to be. I want presentation quality, internet quality. It's just going to depend, on what site you're uploading it to in general. But like for this, just the general defaults are fine. But if you're doing this to upload it somewhere, then please keep that in mind. Okay. All right. So I'm going to export PowerPoint recording for module 9. Okay. So that's the first piece. Let me go back. Okay. All right. So I've got some instructions here on how to submit your completed PowerPoint presentation. Okay. So I've now done all the things here that need to be done. All right. So now in module 9, assignment 1, submit your exported video. So that's the piece right here. I'm gonna just add this. Okay. So that's kind of where it will go. And then you will save that. You'll save your video and you will upload it here. Okay, I got too much going on, so I gotta pause.